Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ankur Education. Today I would like to continue with my previous session, that is about the time and work problems. So let's quickly get into the examples now. These examples are different from the one that I have discussed in my earlier lectures. So be careful in watching my video. So let's get started. The first one here is the 12 men can complete a work in 18 days. After work for 6 days, 4 more men join them. In how many days they will do the remaining work? That was the question asked. So what they have mentioned here is 12 men can complete a work in 18 days. So 4 more men added to them after 6 days. So in how much time they complete this work? That was the question asked. So the shortcut here we can apply is m1 into d1 minus d2 by m1 plus m2. So m1 is 12, d1 is the number of days, that is d1, and 6 is d2, and the number of persons added is m2. So what we can say, m1 is the initial number of men, that is 12 from the given problem, and d1 is the number of days taken by them, 18 minus d2. After how many days they left the work? 6 days. So substitute 6 here by m1 is 12 plus m2 is the number of men that those are added to the previous one, initial one. So that is 4 from the given problem. If we simplify this, we will get the answer as 12 into 12 by 16. So 4 3s are 4 4s are 4 3s are. So 3 3s are 9. So in 9 days, the 16 men can complete the work. So let's click the C option, that is 9 days. So this is a very useful shortcut, and from this shortcut we can obtain the answer within 2 to 3 seconds. So I think this video is very helpful for you people, and this is very helpful in you solving the problems in competitive exams. So better to remember this shortcut. The second one, that is 3 men or 4 women or 6 boys can do a piece of work in 25 days. In how many days 2 men and 3 women and 4 boys together can do the work? So individually they will take 25 days to complete the work, but together, that means 2 men and 3 women and 4 boys together can do the work in how many days? That was the question asked. So the shortcut here is the number of days divided by men and by R plus women and by R plus boys and by R. That means this is the shortcut we have to use for this problem. So number of days here are the 25 divided by men and means what? 2. So 2 by R men is what? 3 plus 2 by 3. So this is men and 2 by R 3 plus women. How many women are there in and? 3. Similarly for R 4. So boys, how many boys are there for and? 4, and for R it is 6. So substitute the values from the above problem. Simply, if you remember this shortcut, it is very easy to solve. So if we simplify this, we will get 25 divided by, take out the LCM for the 3. So it could be 12. So 4 2s are 8 plus 4 3s are 3 3s are 9 plus 6 2s are 4 2s are 8. So 25 into 12. So if we take this to the LCM, this becomes multiplication to 25 into 12 divided by 25. 16 plus 9, 25. So if we cancel 25, we will get it as 12 days. So in 12 days, 2 men and 3 women and 4 boys together can complete this work, same kind of work. So the option is A. So that is 12 days. So better to remember this shortcut. This is very useful. The third example now, that is 24 men can complete a work in 16 days and 16 women can complete the same work in 24 days. So what they have given, 24 men can do the work in 16 days. Similarly, 16 women can complete the same kind of work in 24 days. So 1 day work of a man is nothing but 1 by 24 into 16. This we already know, that is 1 by n formula. And similarly, 1 day's work of a woman is nothing but 1 by 16 into 24. So, and then in how many days 8 men and 6 women can complete the work? That was the question asked. So, 8 men plus 6 women can complete in how many days? For that, we have to substitute the 1 day work of men in place of this. So, 8 into 1 by 24 into 16 plus 6 into 1 day's women work is nothing but 1 by 16 into 24. This is very simple. If we know the concept, then these problems are very easy to solve. So simplify this, then 8 3s are 6 4s are. So what will get? 1 by 48 plus 1 by 64. If we take out the LCM, then it could be 192, and here comes 4 plus 3. So that is nothing but 7 by 192. If we simplify this, we will get it as 1 by 27.4. So 8 men and 6 women can complete the work in 20. So we have to invert this answer. So that is nothing but 27.4 days. The total work done by 8 men plus 6 women is nothing but 27.4 days. So option number D is the right answer. So this is the simplest way to solve this type of problems. Fourth example now. This is a very important model, and this was asked in several competitive exams. That is, A and B can do a work in 18 days and B and C can do the same work in 24 days. Similarly, C and A can do the same work in 36 days. Then what they asked to find, that is what they have given first. A plus B can do the work in 18 number of days. Similarly, B plus C can do the work in 24 days. C plus A can do the work in 36 days. So these are the number of days specified by the question. So what they asked to find, the number of days taken by A, B and C together. So A plus B plus C can do the work in how many number of days? That was the question asked. For this problem, we have to use the LCM method. That is, take out the LCM for 18, 24, 36. This is a very simple method. That is, take out the LCM, then we will get 72. So if we divide this, 72 divided by 18 is nothing but 4. This is the 1 day's work. So we are dividing the total with the number of days. So 1 day's work of A plus B. So here comes 3 for 24 and 2 for 36. So if we add this, we'll get 9. So if there are 72 laddus that A, B and C together can make, in 1 day they make 9 laddus. That means if we add these things, we'll get 2 into A plus B plus C. That is 2A plus 2B plus 2C. If we add these 3 expressions, we'll get this. So we have to equate this to the 1 day's work. So we will get the work done by A, B, C together is nothing but 9 by 2. So we don't want the work done. We have to find the number of days. So we have to invert this answer. So invert. So and multiply this with the total work. So the number of days taken by A, B and C is nothing but number of days is equal to 72 into 2 by 9. Because we are inverting this, we are getting it as 2 by 9. 2 by 9. So cancel this, we will get 9 8 is 72. So 8 2s are 16. 16 days A, B and C can together will do the work. So option number C is the correct one. This is very useful method to solve this kind of problems. So let us now discuss about another problem based on the same kind, but it is little bit different from the fourth one. So let's go for the fifth problem. Example is, A and B together will do a work in 8 days. Similarly, B and C can complete it in 12 days and C and A can complete it in 15 days. This is very similar to the above example, but instead of asking for A, B and C together, they asked the work done by C alone. That means they asked the number of days in which C can make this work alone. So the process to solve this problem is similar to the above one. So let's start doing this method, that is the LCM method. That is, A plus B can do a work in 8 days and B plus C can do the work in 12 days. Similarly, C plus A can do the work in 15 days. So take out the LCM for 8, 12 and 15. Then the LCM for 8, 12, 15 is nothing but 120. So for 1 day's work we have to multiply 8 with 15 to get 120. This is the total work. That is, let us say these are the total number of laddus that A, B, C can make in total. So 1 day's work is nothing but 15. 1 day's A plus B's work is nothing but 15. Similarly, 12 means here it is 10. 12 into 10 is nothing but 120. Similarly, 15 into 8 is nothing but 120. So these are the 1 day's work of A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. So add these things. Then we'll get 33. So if we add these three expressions, we'll get 2 into A plus B plus C. So if we equate this, then we will get A plus B plus C is nothing but 33 by 2. But they asked us to find the individual work done by C. So we know the A plus B work, that is nothing but 8. Substitute the A plus B's 1 day's works, that is nothing but 15. So substitute that, then we will get 15 plus C is equal to 33 by 2. So for C, we have to take this to the other side, that is 33 by 2 minus 15. If we simplify this, we will get 3 by 2. This is nothing but the work done, but they asked us to find the time. So we have to invert this first. So what is this? 2 by 3. If we invert this, we will get it as 2 by 3. And we have to multiply this with the total work done. So 120 into 2 by 3. So if we cancel this, 3 4s are 3 zeros are. So it could be 80 days. So C alone can do the work in 80 number of days. So option A is the correct answer. So if you want, I will explain it once again. So A plus B can do the work in 8 days. B plus C can do the work in 12 days. Similarly, C plus A can do the work in 15 days. So we are using LCM method. So take out the LCM here. This is nothing but 120. So we have to find the 1 day's work. For that, we have to divide this 120 divided by 8 and 12 and 15. The answer is written like this, that is 15, 10 and 8 respectively. So 1 day's work of A plus B, B plus C and C plus A is nothing but 33. So if we add these three expressions, what we'll get? 2 of A plus B plus C, that is nothing but 2A plus 2B plus 2C. From that I have took the 2 outside. So it is nothing but 2 of A plus B plus C is equal to 33. So from that, A plus B plus C is nothing but 33 by 2. But we know the 1 day's work of A plus B. So substitute that, 15 plus C is equal to 33 by 2. And if we take out this to the other side, we will get C as 3 by 2. But this is the work done. We have to find the number of days. So it is the inverse of the work done. So invert it. It is nothing but 2 by 3. So this is nothing but the number of days, but we have to find the total number of days. So we have to multiply it with the 120. So 120 into 2 by 3. So if we cancel this, we will get it as 80 days. So in 80 number of days, C alone can complete the work. If you have any doubts and queries, you can comment in my comment box. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.